session.
Thank you, ma'am. Greetings of the day, everyone. I, Dr. Parul Goyal, welcomes you all on this webinar organized under the aegis of IGNOU Center of Aditi Mahavidyalaya, focusing on self-management in the shadow of COVID-19 pandemic. शिक्षित नारी ही अच्छे समाज की नींव है. इसी तर्ज पर अदिति महाविद्यालय was established in 1994, 2 decades pioneering institution, bringing higher education to girl students. The college offers various well-designed honors and professional courses to make students skillful and self-reliant. कहते हैं अगर आप एक पुरुष को शिक्षित करते हैं तो आप सिर्फ पुरुष को शिक्षित करते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप एक स्त्री को शिक्षित करते हैं, सॉरी, लेकिन अगर आप
पारुल आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है. हाँ ठीक आ रही है. आप नेटवर्क एरिया में थोड़ा सा रहिए और अपना साउंड थोड़ा सा.
कहते हैं अगर आप एक पुरुष को शिक्षित करते हैं सिर्फ आप पुरुष को शिक्षित करते हैं, पर यदि आप एक नारी को शिक्षित करते हैं तो आप एक पूरी पीढ़ी को शिक्षित करते हैं. यही ध्यान में रखते हुए अदिति महाविद्यालय को एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था गर्ल्स एजुकेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरा करने के लिए. Although the IGNOU Center is introduced in 2019, but this center is leaving no stone to contact the students and faculty with eminent speakers by digital platforms in this global crisis. Also, batch-wise online classes is being provided to the students. The focus of this center is to provide specific education and opportunities to the students so as to upgrade their skills. Right now, center is offering various programs like BA in Journal, Bachelor in Commerce, Masters in Commerce, Postgraduate Diploma in Translation, Masters Hindi, Masters in Education to around 2,500 students with the support of around 25 faculty members. I suppose Dr. Kanan Sharma has joined us. We are very happy to have with our esteemed guest faculty, Professor Kanan Sharma, Regional Director, IGNOU RC2. Kanan Sharma joined IGNOU. किसी ने ना अपना स्पीकर और मोबाइल दोनों से
Ma'am, it seems you have entered with 2 IDs. Your voice is echoing.
प्लीज आप सब लोग अपने आप को म्यूट कर लीजिए. Thank you. We are very happy to have us our esteemed guest faculty today, Professor Dr. Kanan Sharma, Regional Director, IGNOU RC2. Dr. Kanan Sharma joined IGNOU as Assistant Regional Director in 1996. She has a very brilliant academic career, gold medalist, university position holder, National Merit Scholarship holder. She did her MA, MPhil, PhD from University of Delhi. She has published and presented various papers on Sanskrit literature and distant education at national and international forums. Her book, Ras Siddhanta Ki Darshnik Mimamsa, is highly appreciated one. Before joining IGNOU, she was teaching at University of Delhi. She has worked with All India Radio and had long association with National Network of Doordarshan. For more than 2 decades, she is managing student support services at different regional centers, Northeast Project, Planning and Development Division, IGNOU City Center, and at the Regional Services Division. Throughout this duration, she has been extensively involved in strengthening the student support services. Now, I request to ma'am to say a few words to our students. Professor Kanan Sharma, over to you, ma'am.
Dr. Parul. Thank you for the long introduction.
ये क्या हो रहा है नाम का क्या हो रहा है नाम का एक प्रॉब्लम आ रही है
आप लोग सुन पा रहे हैं? डॉक्टर रितु, डॉक्टर पारुल।
हाँ जी मैम, बिल्कुल सुन पा रहे हैं।
मैम आपकी साउंड पहले बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस है।
But Dr. Parul is saying कि I'm very clear to her. आप ऐसा करें, आप अपना म्यूट कर दें। डॉक्टर रितु, आप खुद म्यूट हो जाए।
जी जी।
Able to hear properly. Yeah. So thank you, Dr. Parul, and thank you for the long introduction. Rather, today we would like to hear more from the experts. But thank you once again, and my heartfelt thanks to the administration of Aditi Mahavidyalaya, who have decided to organize this today's webinar, which is on a very, very relevant topic in collaboration with Delhi RC2. As reminded by Dr. Parul, that I am a student of Sanskrit literature, so I would like to relate this present topic with it only. I'll start with one verse of great poet Kalidasa. Yati ekato astashikharam patiroshadhinam avishkrato arun purahsar ekato arkah tejo dvayasya yugpat vyasano dayabhyam loko niyamyati vatma dashantareshu. On one hand, moon is ready to set. On the other hand, sun is rising, as if they are guiding the world that if there is darkness, there is sorrow, there is some misery in life, it won't last long. This phase will pass away. As is said by the famous poet P.B. Shelley, if winter comes, can spring be far behind? So I would like to advise all the students and other participants that of course we are going through a very, very difficult times, unprecedented times of life. Not only the entire world is going through such a difficult times, so we should not get worried, perturbed by this. ये समय भी निकल जाएगा, थोड़ा सा हमें धैर्य और हिम्मत के साथ और उम्मीद के साथ रहना है, and definitely we will pass through this phase. As far as students are concerned, and especially IGNOU students are concerned, I would like to add that IGNOU, not only now, since the inception of the university, it was providing ICT-enabled education system. All the programs and curriculum were supported by audio, video programs. Interactive radio counseling was, as such, earlier also very normal phenomena of the curriculum of the any program. And now I am happy to announce that Delhi RC2 is the largest study regional center, and these days we are conducting online counseling sessions on an average around 150 to 200 online counseling sessions pertaining to the various programs we are already organizing through online. And most of our other activities which are part of the studies are also online, be it submission of assignments for all the learners who were supposed to appear for June term and examination, which have now been postponed by the university in the first time of the history of the university. Its term and examinations have been postponed, and these will be announced subsequently as the authorities and ministry will take the decision. But the students who were supposed to submit those assignments, and submission of assignment, as we know, is a prerequisite to appear before the examination. So all those activities have been placed on online platform. Students can submit their assignments online. Their assignments are being evaluated online. All those students who have to re-register themselves for the second year, re-registration portal is open. They can re-register themselves. Those who want to appear for the forthcoming examination, they can submit their examination forms online. So our study material is also available online. Maybe few students didn't receive their study material timely. So most through eGyan Kosh and through mobile app, they can download the study material. So मैं सभी विद्यार्थियों से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी कि इस कठिन समय को पॉजिटिव तरीके से अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान देने के लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छा और उपयुक्त समय है, जबकि हम सभी लोग घर में ही रह रहे हैं, तो उसको एक सार्थक तरीके से व्यतीत करें. और as informed earlier during the session, Aditi, we are rather fortunate to have association with Aditi Mahavidyalaya, which is one of the prestigious college of the University of Delhi. And I am really thankful to the dedicated and committed team who are associated with IGNOU activities at the college. And right now also we have quite a few programs which are offered through our study center at the Aditi Mahavidyalaya, and subsequently more programs can also be offered. Just 2 days ago, UGC has passed a resolution that any student can pursue 2 degree programs. So I think now this is the right opportunity where more and more aspirants can register for IGNOU programs also. Otherwise also any student who is pursuing any program was free to pursue any certificate or diploma program from IGNOU. But as per the UGC guidelines, offering 2 degree programs simultaneously was not permissible. So now that permission is also there. So more opportunities for all the participants who are willing to join IGNOU programs. And there are more than 250 programs which are being offered through IGNOU. So you can visit our website ignou.ac.in, and in the student zone, all the details of the programs, their eligibility, their fee, all the IGNOU programs are very cost effective. So I think आज का जो प्लेटफॉर्म है हम उस पर शायद ज्यादा बोलें, क्योंकि इग्नू के बारे में बोलते बोलते पूरा सेशन ही मैं निकाल दूंगी. So here we would like to hear more from the experts for today's program. So over to Dr. Ritu and Dr. Parul. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And our students are really going to benefit from Thank you very much. Now, I'm taking the privilege to invite our special guest, Dr. Amit Chaturvedi. Dr. Amit Chaturvedi holds a PhD in Applied Economics and pursued MCom in Accountancy and Law from Agra University, now renamed as Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar University, Agra. Dr. Chaturvedi has also done MBA in Financial Management and Master degree in Distance Education from IGNOU. Dr. Chaturvedi has served as IGNOU Regional Director at RC2 Delhi, Gandhi Darshan and Gandhi Smriti Rajghat, New Delhi. He has joined IGNOU in December 1992 as an Assistant Regional Director at IGNOU Regional Center, Lucknow, and has more than 28 years of experience in open and distance learning. His credit, he has published many research papers in national and international journals of repute and attended national and international conferences, webinars in various capacities. Dr. Chaturvedi was also invited by Doordarshan All India Radio Lucknow, Varanasi, and Bhopal to participate in academic debates and deliver talks, interviews on various academic issues. To Gyan Bani and interactive radio counseling, he interacts with distant learners. He also conducts training sessions for coordinators, assistant coordinators, academic counselors, examinations and superintendents, observers, etc. He has supervised many MPhD dissertations and theses. Two books, namely Open and Distance Learning in India, Challenges and Prospects, Emerging Dimensions of Higher Education, Open and Distance Learning, are his credit. His areas of interest is in the field of education administration, student support service, supervision, and maintenance of learning support services. I request Dr. Chaturvedi to say a few words for the benefit of all of us. Dr. Chaturvedi.
Thank you very much, Parulji and Ritu Sharma. I extend my congratulations to Aditi Mahavidyalaya and Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Mukti Vidyalaya Regional Center, Delhi too, for organizing a wonderful webinar on the self-management in the shadow of the COVID-19 pandemic. Really, I also extend my thanks to Professor Mamta Sharma, principal of this college, and Ritu Sharma, the coordinator of the center, and Parulji and Kanan Sharma, who has organized such a wonderful webinar for the benefit of the students. As far as the use of ICT is concerned, the dimensions and dimension of the higher education in the era of the global pandemic is a challenging task, mainly due to the socio and economic conditions and the social distancing during the COVID-19 pandemic. In the present scenario, the MHRD Government of India has made attempts to develop the effective ICT technology based on the delivery mechanism model for the spreading the higher education in the remote area of the country, where the basic infrastructure of the higher education is not effectively available. Recently, on 10th May 2020, the University Grant Commission has issued a public notice regarding the redressal of the grievances related to the COVID-19 pandemic. The UGC has advised to plan their academic activities keeping in the view of the safety of all the plans of the academic activity for the stakeholder, giving the highest priority of the health. UGC has also requested to establish a cell for educational institution for handling the grievances of the students. Recently, on 20th April 2020, the Principal Secretary Higher Education, Monica Garg, she knows to me, and when I was doing MBA in Lucknow, she was also joined IGNOU as MBA. So we requested the UP government for the use of Gyan Darshan. So on the directions, and the UP government has issued a circular and directed to all the higher education institutions to watch Gyan Darshan IGNOU program. Really, it is a wonderful platform where we are facing the problem of the COVID-19 pandemic globally, not only in India, around the world we are facing. So now the IGNOU and the open and distance learning system became the boon for the higher education system, and we are providing the education through through the online platform, through the ICT, and in place of the seminars, we converted into the webinar. Really, it's a credit to all the administrators like Mamta Sharma ji and other. Recently on the at 2 o'clock, I have a keynote address in the Shahjahanpur also. There is a webinar, and they invited me to speak on the ICT enabled education on the webinar. So then I have to join at 2 o'clock, and before 10 minutes before 2, I will leave this platform. Once again, I thank you very much for the organizing the such webinar on the use of the self-management in the shadow of the really self-management and self-motivation is an important thing we should know. Now we should learn how to live with the virus. We have to learn, and we have to be really self-motivated. Government has issued can issue the direction, but the overall this is the responsibility of the people to save their life from this COVID-19. So we have to be at last. I request all the persons and participants, they should stay home, safe home, and they should pursue their studies through the online platform. Thank you very much once again to Aditi Mahavidyalaya. Hello.
Thank you so much for your kind words. Parul, unmute yourself and then you will be able to speak.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Your enlightening words, your words of wisdom are definitely going to help our students. And thank you very much, sir. In the words of World